Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to cite on ChatGPT. So, uh, if you want to write an essay or a paragraph with the citation, then you can do it with ChatGPT. So, if I write here, what is management with citation? Okay, then it gives you with this citation. You can see or write the theory. Okay, with citation and references. Okay, and it also gives you all things with the citation and references. So you can see. So that's how you can um, these things you can make cite on ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Cirosoft. Cirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Cirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.